We back at the apartment, guys. So GC said we had to insulate the hot water pipes, the 1 inch. So this morning I had to basically go around and insulate all them pipes, man. About what? There's like 18 in the building. I did half of them, like 9. It's not as much, but you know, it's easy work, simple work. You know, got to line them up, cut them. Gotta cut them to size, cut them to shape. The 90s, 45s, all them things. Especially when they go in with the 2x4s, where the pipe strapped onto. Yeah, gotta cut out a section in the excuse me. Cut out a section in the foam thingy. Yeah. If I got any plumbers watching my videos, let me know any tips on Insta.